Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Those dangerous hiccups.
Oh no! Fuck! Give me a second, 1 sec. Oh no, it's still happening! I don't know what to do.
It's begun, guys. The hiccups have begun.
It's been a long time since I figured out hiccups like that.
It's not working. They're still going through holding the breath. Uh-oh. Oh fuck. Take me out in style. I'm dying. I can't stop hiccuping it. It hurts. Oh. Oh. It hurts.
Yes, I guess she's just gonna have him forever.
Some say you should stay interested.
I'm so excited to watch Game of Thrones. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm ending my stream after this.
Why wait?
What?
I said why wait?
No, we gotta play this. I can win it. I got it. I got it. I got it, dude.
Just want fucking face it.
Straight up.
I'm drunk. I'm very drunk. I feel like I'm wasted. Oh, this song's cool. I like this song. Ah! Ah! I hiccup. I don't know if you could tell. I screamed and I hiccup at the same time. Oh fuck. This is rough with hiccups, dude. What the fuck is this shit? Why do I get the hiccups? Why do I get hiccups when I drink? Oh!
You're allergic to alcohol.
What?
You're allergic to alcohol.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I've got a friend that's allergic to alcohol.
I'm a drunk? Wait, what? Wait, I'm allergic? What's I meant to say?
I said, what if? Yeah.
She did not just read that to. She did not just read that in first person.
I'm drunk. Help. I can't get rid of the hiccups. And they're bothering me a lot right now. They're bothering me a real lot right now. I can't stream with these hiccups. They're bothering me. Help. I'm very drunk. I'm probably gonna get a Reddit post about how drunk I am. Be like, oh, don't watch her stream because she's a fucking drunk. And she's a fucking... a drunk that's, like, not good. She's a fucking whorish drunk. I don't know what that means, but she's a drunk that's like, fuck those kind of drunk people. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I'm drunk and I don't know what the fuck, what's going on. No! I need to type in all chat for a sec. I need to tell them. Hey, guy.
You gotta enable it.
I'm drunk.
Have it enabled.
Can you stop being mean? I don't have it. No, I don't. You're right. What the fuck?
Go to, what is it? Like, interface or some shit? Wait. Find it.
Can you tell me? I want to talk to them. Where is it?
Okay, go to interface. Wait. No, that's not it. Hold on.
I just want to say something. I want to say hey to them, at least. I just want to be like, hey, what's up, guys? You know, like, I want to talk to them. Just be like, you want to be friends? You know, kind of thing.
Let me just Google this. Enable all chat league.
Alright, I'll wait for you.
Escape, click interface, button on the left side, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that section.
Where?
So all the way to the bottom. Oh. Yeah.
Wait.
Interface and then chat.
Chat?
It's like the second to the last, or third to the last section on the bottom.
Show all chat?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait.
The gunman's like, please boys, we can win this. I can win this.
Hello. Hello. I'm very drunk. I haven't been this drunk in forever. This was cool. I like this. I got the hiccups, but I haven't been this drunk in a while. It's pretty nice.
It's the good kind of drunk.
I'm a jump. No. Why? Wait. I asked the chat if they're looking for a girlfriend. I'm gonna do sad face because he said no. Why? Why? I'm single and very sane. Ah, nice.
Told him your wife would appreciate.
Thanks, Manny.
I'm trying to be a best wingman here.
Cause I'm gonna find my boyfriend on Lee.
Yeah.
Oh god, I can't stop hiccuping. This sucks. Oh god, fuck, help me. Sorry, I was trying to breathe in air while I hiccuped. It was hard.
You know what? Hiccups is only like breathing, but lagging while you're breathing.
Yeah, it hurts though.
About that.
It hurts. Lagging hurts. Wanna fuck? I'm sorry. Why did I decide to play League when I'm this drunk? This is not working. This is not working. Fuck, this is not working.